Welcome to video of sentiment analysis. Imagine being able to understand how people feel just by analyzing their text. Whether it's customer reviews, social media posts, or survey responses, sentiment analysis helps us capture emotions and opinions hidden in text. So, what exactly is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, involves determining the emotional tone of a piece of text. For example, if someone says, "I love this phone," the sentiment is clearly positive. On the other hand, "the food was awful" expresses negative sentiment. But how do we figure this out automatically? Let's break it down. How does sentiment analysis work? The process usually starts with text preprocessing, cleaning the text by removing punctuation, lowercasing, and tokenizing it into words. Next, we perform feature extraction, converting the words into numbers so that machine learning models can understand them. Techniques like bag of words, TF-IDF, or word embeddings help with this. Finally, we use classification models to label the text as positive, negative, or neutral. These models can be simple, like naive-Bayes classifiers, or advanced, like deep learning neural networks. There are three main techniques in sentiment analysis: rule-based methods. These rely on predefined rules and word lists. For example, if the text contains words like fantastic or excellent, the sentiment is positive. While simple, these methods struggle with complex language. Machine learning approaches, machine learning models like support vector machines, SVMs, and logistic regression are trained on labeled datasets to predict sentiment. These methods can adapt better than rule-based systems. Deep learning approaches, advanced models like RNNs, LSTMs, and transformer-based models such as BERT capture subtle patterns in text and handle large datasets effectively. Let's look at some real-world applications of sentiment analysis. Product reviews. Companies use sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback and improve their products. Social media monitoring. Brands track what people are saying about them on platforms like Twitter and Facebook to measure public opinion. Customer support. Sentiment analysis helps identify unhappy customers so companies can respond quickly. Market research. Businesses gauge how people feel about a new product or service, helping them make informed decisions. However, sentiment analysis isn't without its challenges. Sarcasm and irony, sentences like "oh, just perfect," can be hard for models to interpret correctly because they mean the opposite of what they say. Ambiguity. Some words can have multiple meanings depending on context, making it tricky to determine sentiment. Domain-specific language. Sentiment can differ across industries. For example, words used positively in finance might not work the same way in healthcare. Despite these challenges, sentiment analysis is transforming how businesses understand customer opinions and market trends. From monitoring social media to improving customer service, it plays a crucial role in today's digital world.